24 hours isn't enough. Between following up on appointments, sending invoices, creating newsletters, employee meetings, presentations, and everything else, fear starts to creep in. As a business owner, a mom, a grandma, and a wife, I too felt stressed out and guilty of an unbalanced work life, spending too much time in my business and not enough time with my family. MDR Administrative Services help business owners get organized and create a plan based on their specific needs. We work with clients to identify the areas of their administrative processes to be more efficient. We help free up time by providing services like email marketing and marketing strategies. And based on your business needs, we can train your employees on best practices and processes to help your business succeed. If you have felt or are feeling stressed, overwhelmed, and not sure what to do next, click on the link or visit our website to schedule a call to discuss what part of your business has you feeling this way. And let us help you come up with a plan to get you from where you are now to where you want to be.